Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your Shopify store's name. Now open the Shopify website on your browser. Now log into your account. Now go to settings. Now click on store details. Once you're in the store details section, at the top you will see the store name. Click on it. And from here you can change your store's name. Now I'm going to name it after my name. Now, if you want to buy the domain for this store, just scroll down and go to domains. Now click on buy new domains. Now from here, you can buy the domains. Just search for the domain that you would like to buy. Now the domains might set you back a little bit because you would have to buy them. But once you have bought the domains, your website would be ready to go. And that was all for today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.